In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress watch sales deals in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and follow the stores. So follow your favorite watch stores to get exclusive follower coupons and early sale alerts. Here are a couple of the top watch brands on AliExpress. There's Pagani Design, Navy Force, Huron, Kame, Tissot, Seiko, and even Sledge. So these are the brands that you can simply go ahead and follow. You can also collect store coupons, platform coupons, and select coupons every day to maximize your savings. You can also use codes and credits and coins in order to go ahead and check out and also shop during big sales. So as you can see, I've mentioned a couple of big sale dates right over here. If you are around these, you can simply go ahead and choose those. You can also check flash sale deals because it is going to go ahead and give you everyday discounts. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.